Hello everyone, this is Nilanjana Sarkar, your English language specialist. I'm an English teacher. I hope all of you know by this time that I have created a course which is known as Master Writing Skills Formula 1. This is a digital course and it has got 26 video lectures wherein you can study from anywhere and anytime. What you get in this course is you will get a lot of clarity about writing skills. I have set the foundation of writing skills step by step, piece by piece. You will get a lot of information about the style and approach for creative writing, professional writing. In fact, this is the very basic level of writing skills that one should know before they move on to other advanced forms of writing. The outcome of this course after you complete, yes, you will get a lot of clarity about grammar because grammar is the foundation of any writing skill. You will be able to construct good, sophisticated sentences, and you will also know the difference between creative writing and professional writing. You will also become more confident because your writing will stand out in the crowd. With the help of this course, you can ace even your English exams because English writing skill is a very important part of any kind of English examination. So whether you are a professional or a student or a marketing person, even a teacher or a housewife, if you're keen to work on your writing skills, because as I always say, writing is a job skill. So if you want to improve on that, I would highly recommend all of you to get more information about this particular course because it's really going to scale your growth. So two things that you can do is visit my website, which is nellyscreation.com, and you can just go and enroll yourself and start learning from today. And you can also get back to me if you have any doubts and queries. You can get back to me on this and I'll be happy to help you.